Guys, the 2024 PDR College Advanced Skills Seminar is coming up in June. Are you able, willing, and ready to fix damage like this to a super high level and getting paid to do it at a very high level? Well, we're going to be teaching this stuff there. I really hope to see you guys there. It's going to be a huge event, probably one of the biggest ones that we've held. And I will tell you, it's not just about the hard skills. It's about the soft skills as well. You can be the most amazing dent repair guy in the whole world, but if you don't know how to get the right customers in the door and you don't know how to educate them, then this all goes out the window. So we're going to show you what it takes to sell at a really high level and show you how to become undeniable to your customers. So it takes all the guesswork out of who they should use to get their repair done. We're also going to cover insurance claims for PDR. Everybody knows it's a hot topic right now. Guys, we're starting to become the number one solution for auto body repair. And when it comes to getting the money for these repairs, you gotta know how to navigate these claims. Paul Cordon's gonna be there. He's gonna show us the systems and processes that he uses on a daily basis that made him extremely successful when it comes to navigating insurance claims and capturing the money we deserve as an industry in exchange for the incredible value we provide. We're also going to have Corey Kleinfeld, who is the owner of Dent Pro Sacramento, which is a multi-service operation. And Corey's going to show us his ninja tactics that he uses on a daily basis to be as successful as he is. And let's not forget Master PDR trainer Marty Runick will be there. I'm really looking forward to that one. So join me, Keith Cosentino, and Shane Jacks with special guests Marty Runick, Master PDR trainer from California, Paul Cordon, insurance claims specialist, negotiator, master PDR technician, and founding father of the retail PDR pricing structure from Virginia, podcaster, master technician, and highly successful multi-service business operator from California, Corey Kleinfeld, and a surprise guest from overseas. Together at the 2024 PDR College Advanced Skills Seminar. We look forward to helping you get better.